It's been a major topic of conversation for the last 10 days, the collapse of a road in Sioux City's Morningside neighborhood following a water main break.
And you can see the aftermath right behind us. This stretch of South Cornelia Street, just off of Lincoln Way, completely caved in.
Now, in the immediate aftermath, city engineers told us they had two options to get that road back open.
A short-term fix for about $100,000 or a long-term fix for about $750,000. The goal is to get the entire street and the water main fully repaired before winter. Now the city says those repairs are underway. They sent a letter to residents in the impacted neighborhood over the weekend. KTIV's Kaylee Dom spoke with the city about that plan.
And Kaylee, what have you learned about the option the city is going with?
Matt, Jessica, as you mentioned, the city was weighing out those two options and ultimately decided to do the more extensive and more long-term solution. Rather than just paving over the street, the city has decided to replace the water main and redo the whole street from Wellington Avenue to Lincoln Way. This process includes tree removal, which started yesterday. That's followed by repairing the sewer line, ripping out the concrete, replacing the water main, and then reconstructing the actual road. The decision wasn't made lightly, though, as this project is significantly more expensive and more tedious than the other option. But the city says this isn't the first time this water main has been an issue, which is ultimately what led to the city's decision.
We decided instead of wasting money on a repair, which was about $100,000, we decided we'll roll that over into replacing the whole water main, which has been a problem. Yeah, and then repairing the whole street.
This repair is expected to take until at least Thanksgiving, if not later. But the city says if by December it's not done, they will pave over the street so that it is functional. Right now, residents are parking their cars at the end of the street and walking to their houses. Now, that's something the city says it will make sure residents don't have to do once it starts to snow and sidewalks become icy.
Yeah, some video there just depicting exactly what's happening. So, Kaylee, this is obviously disrupting the lives of people who live on that street in that neighborhood. So is the city watching out for any similar issues to other parts of town?
Yeah, Jessica, that's actually a question I asked city engineer Gordon Fair about the possible future for water main breaking in other neighborhoods. Now, he said that while they are concerned about some of the older infrastructure, there's no way to know when one will break until it actually happens.
As for happening, it can happen in any neighborhood, anytime, anywhere. There's nothing we can do about that except wait till a water main breaks and we go fix it.
As for these residents, Fair says the water service in the neighborhood is running, but they could see some outages coming in the next few weeks as the city starts switching over to the new water main.
All right, Kaylee, thanks for that update. And while construction is now underway to repair the street, it's still going to impact those residents until those repairs are complete, specifically their trash pickup and mail drop off. The city says the residents should label their trash bins with their address and put them out as close to their normal place as possible by noon on Thursdays. Now, the construction crew will then move them to an organized pickup location for gill hauling and bring them back on Fridays. The city says mail delivery will continue as usual. Residents will be notified if their mailbox location changes.